Welcome to Girls World!
Yes, sir.
Which ones do you like?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Patrick.
To more pizza. To more pizza dinners.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
Look at him. What is it, Patrick? With the... Someone's taking on my...
Yep. Pepperoni.
This is good.
Yeah.
This is good.
Yeah.
This is good. Hey, pizza. Pizza arrived. So this pizza is a spicy chicken with extra cheese. It's for Robert with a pan base. I have the original base with the pulled pork and pepperoni. Patrick had the original base with mushroom and anchovies. We are doing the buffet pizza. They call it here. It's like an unlimited pizza, and for €7.99. And
With
now-
drinks, right?
Yeah,
Including
including
drinks.
drinks. I mean, including
Yeah.
drinks.
It's a pretty incredible deal.
But actually, they have like a happy hour. I don't know what time does it start. 2 o'clock.
5 to 6:30.
5 to 6:30.
Happy hour for early birds.
Yeah, for only $5.99, right?
Yep,
Am I
that's right.
$5.99.
Okay, give it a shot.
It's too hot. It's too hot. I'll tell you that. Maybe not. Let's see. Good deal. You probably come here like every once a week.
We should make it a twice or 3 times a week actually.
Whew. Wow.
Not good for people who are starting diets, but it is delicious.
Right. $7.99. Oh. With drinks, unlimited drinks too, by the way. That's a lot of cheese,
Yeah,
actually.
it is. It's hot though. It's really hot. I'm gonna burn
You're gonna
burn the
burn
roof from my mouth.
like you always do, right?
And I want pizza.
Nice.
I think it's a mozzarella cheese.
Nah, give me some pizza.
So you're trying Patrick's pizza, huh? A mushroom and anchovy. What do you think of it?
It's good.
Which one do you think is better?
It's all good.
I think I like the anchovy one. Got more flavor.
I like it. It's hot though. It's really hot.
Patrick, how's your pizza?
Good.
You're taking one of your dadas.
Okay.
All he wants is all cheeses. He likes lots of cheese.